Here's a pair of the JBL Vibe Beam 2 earbuds. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to a Mac via Bluetooth. So the first thing we should do is put these into pairing mode. So the buds are in the case. Let me open this up. Let me take both of these out. Now you can put these in the ear or you can leave it like this, okay? After a few seconds, if it's blinking blue, blue, blue on both of these, then it's in pairing mode. I get a solid blue light, then mine turns off. That's because I think I'm connected to another device that's near me. So for myself, let me manually put this into pairing mode. And how I do that is I have to use either the left or the right ear, but it doesn't matter which one. You can put it in your ear if you wish. And what you want to do with that touch sensor up here, you want to tap and hold. If it's in your ear, you tap and hold and just wait till it says pairing. Or if you do it this way, we're going to tap and hold and just hold it until it starts blinking blue. Okay, it didn't work. Let me do it again. Ready? Tap and hold. Come on, where's that blue at? There we go. You see it's blinking blue now, and the other one is blinking blue as well. So now it's in pairing mode. Now let's shoot over to our Mac here. Click on the Apple logo, top left-hand side. We're going to go to System Settings. And then from here, you just want to navigate to Bluetooth. And then you can see I have other devices, earbuds and headphones already connected, but we're going to scroll down. Now I see this spinny thing right here. This is searching for devices that's in pairing mode that is near me, which is about 30 feet Bluetooth range. And they're still in the pairing mode, and it did find the JBL Vibe Beam 2. I'm going to move over. I'm going to tap on connect. Wait 1 second, and you can see now it's connected, and I got 70% battery juice on them. Now, if you had any kind of issues pairing or connecting these, you can always factory reset these earbuds. If you need to do that, look for that link below in the description area.